Okay, hi, this is Amber, and I am making flan, which is like a Hispanic dessert. I am beating 9 eggs until it's just a little bit foamy. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the sugar. And you pour, this whole recipe is gonna use 2 cups, but 1 cup just for the sugar coating, the rest will go into the actual base. 1 cup into a hot pan. And then I have to melt it slowly so it doesn't burn. Okay, and just gonna mix it so it doesn't burn. And then when we're done making all this, there's these pans that we put in another pan. There's water at the base so that it doesn't cook, so it doesn't get like too overheated when it cooks. I'm going to get another pan out to start heating up the milk. Okay. I'm going to move this for now. Put this on here to warm up for the milk. And this is 4 cups of milk. It's starting to clump up. And then 1 cup, the rest of the sugar will go into the milk. And we will also be putting some vanilla with the milk and sugar. And we're going to let that boil. So we just have to wait for this sugar to melt, which takes a while because you have to make sure it doesn't burn because it burns really easily. So it's starting to kind of turn golden. Turn down the heat a little bit since it's already melting. Just waiting for the little clumps to dissolve now. Okay, so my phone stopped recording, so we're gonna have to pick up now because we just noticed it stopped. But what we did is when the sugar finished, we poured it into these pans, as you can see this part, and kind of stuck it up the side till it kind of dried. And then we took the eggs that I beat earlier and put it into the milk, sugar, and vanilla, which was heated. And we poured that on top of the sugar. And then this pan underneath, which we're going to bake it in, has water in it. And then we preheat the oven to 350. And now we are going to put it in for 1 hour and 15 minutes. If I don't drop it. Okay. So they're in there.
And here it is, the final product. Ta-da!